And on the Silverado, we're doing some upper control arms. Upper control arms on both sides. To make it faster and easier, I always try to figure out what tools I gotta use beforehand, so I'm not digging through tools. So to replace the upper control arms, it's gonna be a 20mm socket, wrench, 10, 18 for the lower control arm for the bottom bolt. And to put it on, I was seeing to make sure what size it was, and it was 17. So you go from the original bolt was an 18, now the new bolt is a 17. And the control arms are marked right and left, so you're not mixing them up. So so obviously I'm starting on the left side, so we use the left one. When I go to the right side, you know what I'm saying, right one. But for the job, it's gonna be a 21mm socket, wrench, 18, 17, and 10mm. And it could be 18 or 17 depending on what's your new size of that bolt. So get started. All right, I got that first up control arm out on the left side. 21, 21, 18. When it go back up, it's gonna be 21, 21, 17. And it's both the 10mm for the brackets. It's pretty simple. Only thing I changed, that instead of using a tall socket, use a short 21. Because right here, it hits, I'm over here, but if you go with a shorter 21, you should be fine. On this side, you're good. Wow. Mid job. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to figure out why the jack not going up. This is Harbor Freight for you, bro. Like, shit done broke. Where my keys at? Always something. See, when you work on cars, you gotta make sure you have more than one jack. All this, man. You never knew. Got the driver's side up control arm on. Bracket put back on. A little leather on the kit. I'm gonna set it back on the ground to see if I have to push it up or anything. But I know once you do the control arms, you're gonna need alignment anyway. I'm gonna try to get it, the camber as in as possible, so it ain't bowing out. So 21mm the top for the two bolts. 18, and depending on what your new bolt is, could be 17 or 18. Got your 10mm for your brackets, and that's it to replace the upper control arms on the Silverado. What's good, auto gang?